Supply chains are experiencing a period of turbulence and change, the likes of which hasn't been seen in at least a generation. Those who've got the greatest insight into this situation are the management consultants, technology providers, academics and business analysts who are most closely connected to it. Here we pick 10 supply chain influencers whose insights, knowledge and experience help to shape the industry. Before we begin, do make sure you subscribe and hit that bell button to keep up to date with the latest in supply chain news. And with that, here are the top 10 supply chain influencers. Starting off our list is Laura Cesaro. Supply Chain Insights were founded in February 2012. Research is at the centre of what Insights does, with its offerings including speaking, advisory services, community enablement and training. She says, "We want to be the first place supply chain leaders turn to help their supply chain teams get better." In at number 9, we have John Kern. Kern leads a diverse global team responsible for manufacturing, new product introduction, product lifecycle management, sourcing and supplier management, planning, logistics and product quality. He's led efforts to digitize Cisco's supply chain, as well as evolving Cisco's growth in software and cloud-delivered solutions. In at number 8, we have Omid Kamami. Professor Kamami has built his career in procurement, starting out at Intel before founding SCMI, a certification body of which half of all Fortune 100 companies belong. He's also a speaker, executive coach and author, and is seen as one of the world's top procurement experts on supplier sourcing and supplier development. Coming in at number 7, we have Ivanka Janssen. Janssen is an experienced supply chain leader with 21 years international management experience in operations, manufacturing, supply chain, route to market, logistics, customer service and procurement. At number 6, we have Dr. Chris Kaplis. Chris is a pioneering freight academic at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, where he's established a reputation as one of the world's foremost authorities on logistics. Dr. Kaplis founded and co-directed MIT Freight Lab, a position he's held for 15 years. The ultimate goal is to reduce cost, minimize risk, and increase service levels. Marking the halfway spot on our list, we have Wolfgang Parch. Keith Oliver is widely held to have introduced the world to the term supply chain, but he wasn't the mind that formulated the ideas behind it. That honour goes to thought leader Wolfgang Parch, whose LinkedIn profile has him as the inventor of supply chain management. In at number 4, we have Martin Barkman. As a chemical engineering undergraduate at Cornell University, Barkman took classes from Pulitzer Prize-winning astronomer, writer and broadcaster Carl Sagan. He joined SAP in 2013 when he bought partner company SmartOps, of which he was CEO. Since then, he's occupied various roles in supply chain management at SAP, most recently being responsible for solution management for its vast digital supply chain portfolio. Coming into the final 3 on our list and starting us off is Sherry Hinnish. Hinnish, the self-styled supply chain queen, is Principal of Global Sustainability Innovation and Ecosystem Leader for EY. She has 46,000 LinkedIn followers, and for good reason. People want to hear what she has to say on sustainability, especially as it concerns supply chain. In at number 2, we have Knut Alike. Alike advises companies on supply chain management and digital supply chain transformations. He also leads the McKinsey Supply Chain Executive Academy, which helps build client capabilities. He's a professor at University of Karlsruhe, where he teaches supply chain management. And finally, moving on to the last spot on our list, we have Tim Cook. Apple CEO Tim Cook joined an ailing Apple as supply chain chief in the 90s, and with his just-in-time inventory genius, turned things round. As COO, it was Cook who ensured Apple's phenomenal growth, as never allowing the supply of its products to be outstripped by demand, even when demand was stratospheric. Today, Cook is looking to refashion Apple's supply chain by reducing its reliance on China. A tricky task, but if anyone can achieve it, Cook certainly can. And with that, we come to the end of our list. You hope you've enjoyed this top 10 video brought to you by July's edition of Supply Chain Magazine. If you did, make sure you like and hit the subscribe button, and why not check out some of our other videos whilst you're there. We'll see you next time.